Hello there. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update the content from header widget area. It's fairly easy, so let's do it. In this particular example, this content is coming from header widget area. It can be different for your specific theme, so please check your theme specific documentation for the content that can be edited from the header widget area. So let's log into your WordPress admin panel. Then under appearance, click widgets and it will show something like that. And scroll down and click header. And from here, all the content that it can be edited from the header widget area should be here. And all you just need to click here and update the content. And once you're done with the changes, don't forget to click the update now button to save the changes. And that's all. Thanks for watching.